If you are looking to get 1 million views on your Instagram reel in 2025, then this video is for you, because with this exact strategy, I have got 100k views on this Instagram reel, 28.2k views on this Instagram reel, and 30.2k views on this Instagram reel. To increase views, all you have to do is you have to go to your ads manager and then you need to click on create. Then out of the given objectives, you have to select the engagement, because engagement objective means that I want people to engage with my post, with my content, and my ultimate objective is to increase views. As you can see, it has video views option as well. So that is the one thing that I want to increase. Then you need to click on continue. After it, do not select tailored messages campaign. Go ahead with manual engagement campaign, because we will be setting up the campaign from scratch. Give it a name, whatever name you want to give it. Let's say I'm running engagement campaign and I'll give it, let's say my target is to get 1 million views on where, on my Instagram reel. So I'm gonna just type down IG reel, and after that do not change any settings over here, and then come to the ad set level. Whatever name you want to give it, just give this a name, ad set A. And then for whichever page or for whichever reel you want to increase your views, select the page from here. So since I want to increase views for my this page, so I'm just gonna select this, and I've already collected my Instagram page, that is why I do not need to change it again. And since I want to run this ad only on Instagram, so I'm gonna deselect the messenger because there is no motive for it. At the same time, I do not want people to message me. I have a different objective, and that is that I want people to engage on my ad itself. That is how I will be able to increase the views on my reels. So I will be selecting on your ad, and then what is my ultimate objective, whether I want post engagement, whether I want event responses or reminder set. I have a clear objective in my mind, which is video views. So I'm just going to select it. Then you can select it on the basis of what you want to achieve, whether you want to go ahead with maximize 2-second continue video plays, or you want to go ahead with through play reviews. For now I want people to watch my video, so I'm just gonna select through play views. And then I'm like not filtering any data, because I want Instagram to find very less CPR for this one. Then whatever budget you have, you can do it. So let's say I want to go ahead with the 100 rupees budget, and I want my ad to start immediately, so I'm not gonna change anything over here. But definitely I want relevant audience to my content. So what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm quickly gonna play with the location, with the age group. So location wise I'm fine, or maybe I can target the tier 1 cities of India. So let's say I want to target Delhi, I want to target Bangalore, Hyderabad. So I'm just gonna quickly target all these cities, right? So I'm good. But I only want to target the Bangalore location and the Hyderabad location, and not the nearby regions. So now I'm good. And after that I want, because I know my content is not for 65 plus people for sure. My content is basically only for people in the Gen Z age. So I'm just gonna target 35. 18 35 is the age group that I think is feasible for me. Gender wise I'm good with both the genders, so I'm not gonna change it. But because my content is basically for all the marketers, so I am gonna targeting the interest marketing. So let me just type down marketing, because I want people who have high interest in marketing, and my content is for marketing people. So that is why I'm just gonna target this. And then because I only want to run this advertisement on Instagram, so I'm just gonna deselect all other platforms. So Facebook, I don't need it. Messenger, I don't need it. Now you see that my ad will be run only on Instagram, but I will be running only reel ad, so I do not want it to appear on the feed. So I'm just gonna deselect it. I only want it to run it on Instagram stories, Instagram reels, and Instagram profile reels. That's it. I don't want it to be appear in the Instagram search results, so I'm just gonna deselect it. Now all the settings have been done. Now comes the ad creative part. So in the ad creative part, since my Instagram account is already connected to my Facebook page, that is why it is appearing automatically over here. I do not want to create ad from scratch, because I already have posted the content on my Instagram account. So I'm just gonna use the existing post. and then I'm quickly gonna select the post that I want to target. Make sure that like you're not using any type of music inside your reels, otherwise like there will be a problem in running the advertisement. So whichever reel you want to increase your engagement, you can select that reel. So let's say I will be going ahead with the first reel, which I just posted on 4th Feb 2025, that means yesterday. So I'm just gonna select this reel, and let me just quickly move this to this area, and then you just, after selecting, you just click on continue. Now it will start verifying the data, and it will fetch the primary text from the captions that you have provided, and the basis of all the things it will show you your final input. So I can't run the ad on this reel because we have been using some type of licensed music. So what I need to do, I just need to change the post, so I can't run it. So let me just select another post, the second post. Let's see if it allows to run me ad on this. Nope. It is still saying that I'm using still the licensed music. Okay. Guys, one more mistake that I did is like I am selecting the content from Facebook instead, not from Instagram. So now I can see like where I'm using the licensed music. So whenever this orange icon appears, you can't select that. Now I'm not using any licensed music inside this one, so I can select this one, and now you will see that this will get disappeared because we are not using any licensed music inside this reel, right? So on the basis of whatever captions you have written, it will appear over here, and then you can change it if you want to, because I do not want to change it because I have already spent a lot of time in writing this caption. If you want, you can put down some CTA buttons, but I only want to increase my views, so that is why I don't need any CTA button. And then I do not want to track any website events or offline events, that is why I'm not putting up this parameter. And after that, guys, that's it. All you have to do is you just need to click on publish button, and boom, once your ad will get approved, then you will start getting views inside your Instagram reel. Let me know if you like the video. If you have liked it, give a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel.